tell me about like what is your vision? What are you looking at? Like what's your ultimate vision that you for your teeth and your smile?
My smile from back 3 years ago.
And what happened?
Oh, I don't know. They just started like deteriorating. I don't know. Everything I eat is like they break. And then again, like I told you, I'm on a lot of medicine. I was addicted to Percocet. So I think that's what affected a lot.
Yeah. I'm so looking forward to the finish.
Me too.
You ready for the review? Are you sure? Take a look at it. Here's the mirror.
I love it.
How do you feel?
Very confident.
It's gonna help you with your confidence, your smile when you eat and talk to people. Come on. Do you like that smile?
I love it. I don't like it.